Imagine your refrigerator, once a bustling hub of freshness and vitality, now suffers from a cracked or compromised shelf. The Tomato Man shelf for LG fridges is not merely a replacement part. It's a resurrection, a restoration of order and efficiency to your culinary domain. This upgraded ACQ30341209 shelf is a beacon of hope for weary refrigerators. And it's compatible with a wide array of LG models, including the LRSXS2706W, LRSXS2706B, LRSXS2706s, LRSXS2706V, and LRSXC2306V. It's the sturdy spine that holds your produce together, and it's the solid ground upon which your groceries rest. Furthermore, this shelf is the silent guardian of your vegetables and the watchful protector of your freezers. Contents. Consequently, it's an essential component, a keystone in the arch of your kitchen's organization, and it ensures that every item has its rightful place, thus making your daily routine smoother and more pleasant. The craftsmanship of this Tomato Man shelf for LG fridges is a testament to its durability and functionality. It is designed to be a perfect fit, a glove for your refrigerator, ensuring a seamless integration that feels both natural and robust. Moreover, this cover assembly tray is a chameleon, adapting effortlessly to the demands of your household, whether it's holding a bounty of fresh fruits or a collection of frozen treats. For instance, the smooth surface is easy to clean, transforming a chore into a simple wipe down, so you can spend less time on maintenance and more time on what matters. Hence, the installation process is a breeze, like the gentle flutter of a butterfly's wings, requiring no special tools or arcane knowledge. Additionally, it's a whisper of quiet competence, a subtle but significant upgrade that elevates the entire refrigerator experience. Ultimately, this Tomato Man shelf for LG fridges is an investment in the longevity and performance of your appliance. It's the heartwood of your refrigerator's structure, providing unwavering support and a new lease on life. Therefore, it is a small change with a profound impact, transforming a simple box of cold into a well-oiled machine of culinary possibility. This shelf, a paragon of modern design, is more than just a piece of plastic. It's a promise of organization, a guarantee of freshness, and a cornerstone of your kitchen's harmony. Furthermore, with its robust construction and thoughtful design, it stands as a bulwark against the chaos of a busy home, ensuring that your refrigerator remains a sanctuary of order and a treasure trove of deliciousness. After all, a tidy fridge is a tidy mind, and this shelf is the key to unlocking that tranquility. Pros: vast selection of products, competitive pricing, fast and convenient delivery, excellent customer service, easy returns process, user-friendly shopping platform, customer reviews and ratings, trusted and reliable marketplace, secure payment options, Amazon Prime exclusive. Benefits: mobile app for shopping on the go, simplified purchasing for businesses. Cons: doesn't fit perfectly, plastic is flimsy, shelf cracks easily. Features: upgraded ACQ30341209 refrigerator shelf replacement, LG refrigerator compatible, freezer drawer cover, cover assembly tray, vegetable shelf, fits LRSXS2706W model, fits LRSXS2706B model, fits LRSXS2706's model, fits LRSXS2706 model. This upgraded refrigerator shelf replacement model upgraded ACQ30341209 is compatible with several LG refrigerator models, including the LRSXS2706W, LRSXS2706B, LRSXS2706s, and LRSXS2706V. It serves as a replacement for the freezer drawer cover, cover assembly tray, and vegetable shelf, providing a convenient solution for those needing to replace these specific parts. The product's upgraded design ensures improved durability and functionality for your refrigerators. Interior storage. The Tomato Man upgraded ACQ30341209 refrigerator shelf is a replacement for LG refrigerator freezer drawer covers. It is compatible with models like LRSXS2706W, LRSXS2706B, LRSXS2706s, LRSXS2706V, and LRSXC2306V. Although the product is sold on a user-friendly platform that offers fast delivery, secure payment, and easy returns, some customers have reported issues. The shelf may not fit perfectly, and the plastic has been described as flimsy and prone to cracking easily.